Exfoliation is very necessary as our skin is daily exposed to various dirt that can clog skin pores, and our body regularly sheds dead skin cells, so keeping these conditions in mind, you should scrub your skin. Today I'm gonna share with you a very gentle scrub for face and body that leaves your skin smooth and soft. It's also very easy to make. We love a good face and body scrub, and these oatmeal scrubs work for all skin types. Oatmeal is incredibly soothing to the skin, but it must be finely ground up to be used as a scrub. So, all we need here is 2 teaspoons of oatmeal, 1 teaspoon of sugar, 5 teaspoons of cucumber juice, 1 teaspoon of olive oil. For the oatmeal, to make 1/2 cup of ground oatmeal for scrubs, use a blender, small food processor or coffee grinder. Grind 1 cup of oatmeal until it has the consistency of flour. And for the cucumber juice, blend half an unpeeled cucumber in a blender or food processor until it's the consistency of a watery paste. Pour the cucumber through a strainer to separate the water from any solid material. Mix all ingredients. Before you apply this scrub, wash your face and neck with warm water to remove makeup and open pores. And massage the mixture onto your skin using small circular motions. Cucumber very soothing to the sensitive skin, and the olive oil works wonders on smoothing and softening skin. Let it sit for 20 minutes and wash your face using warm water. Use this scrub once a week to keep your skin in tip-top shape. Use year-round to exfoliate both your face and your body. And use a thick moisturizer to help keep everything balanced. And try it once a week for best results. For more videos, don't forget to subscribe and share with your friend, and thank you so much for watching.